Call for help! Call for help! Don't go near that shit! Holy shit! That's crazy! Hey, you guys said call for help, bro. That's fucked up. I'm not going near that shit, bro. These guys are crazy, man.
Come back here, man. What's going? Shit, you spilled all over the fucking place. What happened? The gear block? No, the fucking
Where's the fucking fight? Bro,
Hey!
don't go on the runway, man.
Come back, man. That motherfucker fucking doing. Hey, get out of there.
For what? I don't know, man. This guy's going towards the runway, DB. He's crazy. These guys are gonna get in trouble, man. See that shit? They told him, go away.
I thought it was gonna blow. I knew it. Why is Frank and Gino running over there anyway?
This
It's
guy-
not like you can get up into the fucking the cockpit anyway.
They need to get out of the fucking airplane. These guys are crazy. The other side, man. The fire is from this side. Oh, they're trying to get out of the window.
Maybe they went out the back.
Hey, that was a badass response. 2 minutes flat.
Huh? You got it?
2 minutes flat, baby.
Wow, what an explosion.
What happened? The gear collapsed now?
I have no idea. Gino was like, yo, turn around. I'm like, what is going on? And I see a flat. I'm like, what? Good job. What?
Lost control.
I don't know. He was landing. And then Gino was like,
Because
yo,
it turned
look at
sideways.
this thing.
I know, because I was walking out this way. I was watching it come. It was turning, still
And these
turning
guys are
on
like,
fire.
what's going on? Oh, crazy.
No, that's
Tank!
tank.
Fucking
That's
blew out
all.
the engine. The engine
Bravo,
was
that's
just
all
heating up.
fuel, man.
And these guys are going towards it. I'm like, nah, man, this
The whole
is
fucking plant was
yeah.